good, guys? Flagstaff Ave Geek here with my first YouTube video, and today we're going to be unboxing the 2020 release GeminiJets American A320. I've heard a lot of bad things about this model, but I hope it's good. Here we have the GeminiJets box, Airbus A320, American Airlines, and of course their little motto, made for collectors by collectors. Here we got the facts about the plane. Livery, American Airlines, aircraft type, Airbus A320-232, serial number 866, registration N651AW, and we got the IAE engines, of course. And yeah, here we got the plane. It doesn't look broken, and let's get into it. Here we got the GeminiJets box. We're gonna take it out. Wow, guys, it's a really nice model, as you can see. Here, let me get a pointer so we can get into this review. We got the L1 boarding door, the One World logo, as you can see right there. We got the American titles, the Wi-Fi dome, the IAE engines, and our registration, N651AW. And of course, we got the beautiful American tail. Here's the front view, and it looks really nice. You can see the nose cones painted on there. Then we got the right side of the plane. Pretty much the same, it's just theirs looks like a cargo or luggage door right there. And we got the fence sharklets and the APU in the back. Here on the underbelly, we have the stand hole and the GeminiJets logo, of course. Pretty nice detail on the bottom of the plane. You can't really see that. It's not trying to focus. It says A320 there, as you can see. And the gears do not roll sidely, but it's a very, very nice plane. It's just that the coloring is off. Here, I'm gonna compare it to the A321neo, which has really nice coloring. So I'll let you guys see for yourselves. It's really dark compared to the Neo. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more unboxing videos. Bye.